Charity, that puzzle of a calendar aside, there are concerns of safety of students and their families that can't be pushed to the side, even though the Ministry of Education remains confident that come January, schools will be ready for in-person learning. A Form 4 candidate at St Elizabeth Girls Lureko in Mumias West, Kakamega County, has become one of the first students to reportedly die of coronavirus after schools reopened partially on October 12th. The student passed on while receiving treatment at Life Care Hospital in Bungoma. Okokusa has that report.
Kakamega County Chief Executive Committee member for Health, Collins Matemba, said that the teenager could have picked the virus from her parents, who have also tested positive. He said the girl's parents were currently on home-based care at their home in Mumias West and were in stable condition. The student is reported to have traveled home before she fell sick and was rushed to St Mary's Mission Hospital in Mumias and later transferred to Life Care Hospital after her condition worsened. Dr. Matemba further said that public health teams had already been dispatched to the school to monitor and assess the situation. The student's death comes at a time when schools in Western Kenya region reported a surge in infections among learners. At St. Peter's Boys Secondary School, 9 students are in isolation after testing positive. At Sacred Heart Mukumu Girls, a Form 4 student who had earlier fallen sick was later confirmed to be COVID-19 positive. The student was admitted at St Elizabeth Mission Hospital, but she is reported to have sneaked out of the ward, and her whereabouts are still unknown. In Vihiga County, 6 teachers have tested positive to COVID-19, raising the caseload in the devolved unit to 85. The latest situational report released by the Health Department has indicated. These developments come only hours after the Ministry of Education announced that all schools will reopen fully on January 4th, 2021. But it is this statement by the Director of Health, Dr. Patrick Amoth, that appears to expose the government's dilemma when it comes to balancing the pandemic and the school's academic calendar.
Together with the Ministry of Education, it is for us to be able to develop protocols and guidelines that will ensure the safety of schools, of our students and pupils in school, to ensure that we don't lose a future generation because of a pandemic. Suppose the pandemic stays for 5 years. Are we going to close school for 5 years and have no future?
Okokusa, NTV.